What up, y'all, and thanks for joining in on this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and check out many of our other videos as well. The holidays at the end of the year just pretty much roll right into each other, so a lot of people have been referring to it as Hollow Thankmas. So this year we've decided to do something different. We're putting up the Christmas tree, but there's no Christmas ornaments going on there. We're making it a Halloween tree, and we're going to call ours the Beautiful Tree. Stay tuned. Why are you taking off my socks? Zena, you're going to be slipping too much with the socks.
No, I'm sucking. Look at this. No, I'm sucking one.
You gotta go do something about these socks.
Stop. Yeah.
Haven't used this thing in so long. It's dusty. Jeez. All right, let's make it do what it do. You guys got me going through a lot right now. These socks, Zena. Oh Lord, what is this plug? Finally got this thing. After maneuvering so much stuff. All right. Oh, light! It is light! There's one thing I learned about being a mommy. You gotta be able to make a way out of no way. Yep, those are for you. You're welcome. All right. Good? Are you happy now?
I'm happy now.
You happy now. That's all that matters. All right, stinky feet. Let me smell those feet. Ew! Pee! Ew! Now let's get into these decorations. The Dollar Tree is always my first stop when it comes to holiday decorating, and then from there I'll scale up to maybe Walmart or Target, or even go on Amazon if I need to. But the Dollar Tree is always my first stop. I've never decorated a Halloween tree before, nor have I really ever done any decorations around the home for Halloween. The most I've ever really done was got dressed up in a costume for Halloween, and that was pretty much it. So the goal was to pretty much pick up a lot of different items that could be turned into ornaments and things that could be just decorated around the tree itself.
Yeah, boots.
Really, Zena? Put it on your foot? What? To secure most of the items to the tree, I will be using these ornament hooks. I also picked up these LED mini lights in orange to bring some life to this pre-lit Christmas tree. Listen, no judgment. I rarely ever decorate a full tree, especially if I know it's going to be in a corner. I just stick to the front and the sides and just put all of the ornaments just in those areas that was going to be visible. When I picked up these pumpkin heads with the witch's coat attached to it, I knew I would put them at the top of the tree and then have all of the other ornaments cascading down up under it. Most trees have something decorative up top, so we're going to use a witch's hat as our topper. I had my Christmas ornaments laid out, and surprisingly, they added a little bit more dimension to the tree. The coolest thing about putting the tree together was that the kids were excited to help, and they weren't really spooked out with the end results. Now, I didn't know how I was going to decorate the bottom of the tree. Originally, I was going to use these creepy cloths to decorate the walls for some spider web effect, but I felt like it would have been nice to have like the same idea going under the tree. And of course, it was used for other things like scaring my kids. At this point, I was on a roll and knew exactly how I wanted the tree to turn out and the decorations around them. I had to make another trip to the Dollar Tree and Walmart to get some more interesting items, and I'm so happy and impressed how this tree turned out. Here's some additional photos. We love how everything came together. Decorating our tree for Halloween is definitely going to be the new thing for us as the years go by. Hey guys, just really wanted to creep in and say thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed the process of putting together our Halloween tree. I feel like we might have this tree around for a while, you know, just changing throughout the seasons with Thanksgiving decor, Christmas, Kwanza, Valentines Day. You know, I've always wanted a holiday tree, so let's just make it happen. So stay tuned, like this video, share it with anyone you think that would love it as well. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on IG, and as always, thank you for supporting us and watching this video. Bye-bye. Hey guys, just creeping in.